Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss practical number 7. So practical number 7 worksheet is given here. So first you want to enter the data, whatever the data given here you want to enter in your Excel file. So after that you can set the column width as your wish. So thereafter, so here the formulas are given to calculate the sales price, sales tax and the total price. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So in your Excel, so first you want to calculate the sales price. So normally to calculate the sales price they have given the formula, so list price minus discount. So here is it equal, you want to select the cell of list price, then minus and discount. So now you can calculate the sales price. So then thereafter, so sales tax is equal to sales price into 0.05 percentage. So here equal sales price into 0.05 percentage. Okay, so then you want to calculate the total price, which is equal to sales price and the sales tax. So total price, that is equal to sales price plus sales tax. Okay, in addition to this you want to include the headers and footers in your worksheet. So before that we will discuss how you can apply these type of borders and these type of alignments in your worksheet. So here if you want to apply a border, just select entire area, then here you can insert a border. So here more borders. So from the more borders you want to select the dash type. So then you want to apply like this, all the cells you need to have the borders like this, then okay. So now you will be get the border like this. So here then discount, so this discount, the alignment should be changed like this way you can change the alignment. So then thereafter finally they are asking you to insert the header and the footer. So you want to create the header that includes your name in the left section and date in the center section and your ID in the right section. So here you can insert the header. So just go to insert, text, header and footer. So once you applied the header and footer, normally in the Excel the entire sheet view will change like this. So after that, so the left section you want to insert your name. So for example UCJ. So in the center you want to insert the date and current date. So here you can insert a date. So then finally this right section you want to insert your registration number. So 19 CTT 00. So similar way you can add the footer also. So we'll check there, the footer you want to add the page number in the center. So here you want to insert the page number in the center. So design page number. Okay, So finally, if you want to change this view, you can click here to change the normal view. So in the normal view, there is no header and footers. Okay. So finally, you want to change the layout horizontally, vertically center on your page. So margins, custom margin. So horizontally, vertically center on your page. Okay. So now we'll check. Now you have the table center on your page. Okay. So here whatever the formula you have entered, all the formulas are displaying here. Like this way you can complete the practical number 7.